Hi Beauty Insider, my name is Natalie from Korea. I started the ODM business like 3 years ago. Before doing that business, I used to be a marketer at L'Oreal Korea, and I used to be a product developer in cosmetic field. And since I started a Korean ODM business, I was thinking of, making my own brand. I was admiring that, and then finally I made my own brand, which is called Frankcell. When I went to Dubai, and I was the marketer, like working for a company, a cosmetic company. And I went there, and I was supposed to give kind of presentation to all beauty influencers there. And when I explained about Korean cosmetics, they're like, "Oh, that's really amazing." So I got inspired by them, and after that presentation, I was starting to think about like running my own business, and then I did it. Actually, in Korea, there are a lot of trendy cosmetics, and I'm in the middle of them. So like every time I go to shop, it's like an H&B store or whatever, and there are so many products that kind of giving me inspirations. And first time I saw this product, actually one factory had this product as a blusher, and since it is like stick type, that was not easy to blend the blusher. So I was like, hey, to the factory CEO, hey, how about making skincare products using this shape? So that's how we started sunscreen, stick type sunscreen product like this. So after that, well, just today, hundreds of customers were asking about this product, and I could feel that it's huge success. Yeah. If I talk about my brand Frankcell, like some customers, they have really sensitive skins, but if I put a lot of what is that, parabens, which is what is that, I forgot in English, to preserve this preservation, I can put something cheaper ingredients but strong like effective ingredients. But instead of doing that, I put really nice and expensive ingredients to preserve this. Like I'm not sure about the word preserve, like to to protect this product from going bad, yeah. But well, reflecting on me myself as a consumer, I don't want to use something too strong for my skin, because me myself, I have sensitive skin. So while reflecting on my own experiences, well, I put really good, nice ingredients made in Korea. So that's how I keep my brand ethically. When I got here for the first time, actually I've been to Indonesia. At first I thought maybe people looked similar, but they didn't. So yeah, so that was my misunderstanding. And Malaysian girls are really pretty, I think, and they are very bright and kind. That's how I felt here. And about the shade, I'm talking about the colors for foundation. Malaysian girls have like a darker skin color. Normally Korean foundation are based on lighter skin tone, but when I got here in Malaysia, I was thinking about making more shade just suitable for Malaysian girls. I'm always looking for new opportunities, and just give me a call. I'm waiting for.